But of course, I know that you, the people, love the inference game, and you cry out, more, please, please give us more inference game. We love it. And to that end, I've provided you a bonus round. Like what I did right there, his eyeball still shining through. All right, single local variable. We had our scalable and uninitialized space, and we know that the other uninitialized space, this is alignment padding, as is this 32 bits here. So it just always allocates hex 16 at a time, seemingly both for the frame pointer 8 allocation and for local variables separately and independently. That's a reminder of single local variable. Here's your reminder of 2ints. Again, uninitialized padding and the 16-byte allocation for the local variables, obsolete and scalable. So my question to you is 3ints, not 3 long longs, 3ints. If you added a new local variable k with all a's, where would it go on this diagram? What would the stack look like? Well, there's your code, there's your compilation. So I want you to draw a stack diagram and figure out what this is going to look like. But at this point, you shouldn't necessarily need a stack diagram. So indeed, I'm going to put a quiz question on here for those people who are bold and adventurous. Go ahead and just answer, where is the a's local variable, the local variable k, going to go? And if you get it wrong, of course, you can go through and generate your own stack diagram. If you get it right, well, there's no need, is there?